Machigni kendo nyakona mga jongero kamano kumedo kete mana kae Ramogi TV wadhi mbele gi miweche manyien. Doma duongo tamore chungo chenro mar chiemo e sikunde mane tend county ma Nairobi ochako. Jang'ad bura Mugure Thande ogolo ng'eto ma kamano kowacho ni chungo chenro no biro sando ngima nyithindo mogeno yudo chiemo e sikunde ma kamago.
Of the case requires that the petition is heard and determined expeditiously. To suspend the program at this stage would militate against the best interest of the children who are targeted to benefit from this program. I therefore direct as follows. 1. Ms. Mutabi shall file and serve her application for joinder by the 28th of July 2023. Responses are to be filed by the 4th of August 2023. The petition and application by the petitioner shall be heard together. All responses shall be filed and served by the 4th of August 2023.
I'm happy that the court has refused to stop this program. We are already making a lot of progress. We're building the kitchens that we're going to launch on the 28th of August. The process is going on. In some constituencies, children are already eating. And for many times we've said that, the hunger in Nairobi, urban poverty, is really worse than poverty elsewhere. Many of our children are missing school, actually more than many other counties, because of hunger. And we know the pain that there is. Many parents cannot afford to feed their children. There are harsh economic times. We have sat down, we've planned, we've worked together with national government to take this burden away from our parents.